you, dear, just to tell you, in September you remember, 'neath the old apple tree you whispered to me, when it blossomed again you'd be mine. I've waited until I could claim you,